Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix no sound issue on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and check if silent mode is turned on. Look at the side switch button and move it up or down to check. If silent mode is enabled, turn it off immediately. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where we can manage all sound-related settings properly. If your volume settings are incorrect, we can fix them from here easily. So let's move step by step inside Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section controls ringtone, alerts, and system sounds. Here we need to check if the sound volume is set properly. So open it carefully and continue. Now look for the ringtone and alerts volume slider. Increase the volume to maximum or to a comfortable level. Sometimes the sound is simply too low, which makes it seem like there is no audio at all. After increasing it, test your sound again. If the issue still continues, go back to Settings and open Software Update. Check if any iOS update is available for your iPhone. Updates often fix audio bugs and improve system performance. So, install the latest update if available. Finally, restart your iPhone if the sound is still not working. A restart refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches automatically. After restarting, test videos, calls, or notifications again. Most of the time, this final step solves the issue completely. And that's how you can easily fix no sound issues on your iPhone step by step. These simple methods usually solve the problem without needing any repair. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment for more easy guides like this.